Welcome back. And well, viewers, 5 years after the COVID-19 pandemic, which first originated from China, China once again is witnessing an outbreak of the human metapneumovirus or the HMPV. According to reports and social media posts, hospitals are overcrowded with infected individuals and crematories also overwhelmed. Some social media users in fact claim that multiple viruses including influenza A, HMPV, mycoplasma, pneumonia, COVID-19 are all circulating in China at the same time. There are even claims that China has declared a state of emergency. However, there's no official confirmation to the same. Let's take it point by point. Who is at higher risk given this virus? Young children, older adults and those with weakened immune systems are at a higher risk of developing severe illness due to HMPV. The next question being asked, what are the complications of HMPV? Sometimes HMPV, viewers, can cause severe illness that might require hospitalization. Bronchiolitis, bronchitis, pneumonia, asthma and ear infection are a few complications that may develop. What is the HMPV infection to begin with? Let's break down those details. The infection is caused by human metapneumovirus. Causes symptoms similar to common cold. That's something you can watch out for. It can sometimes cause pneumonia and bronchitis as well. Children, aged people can get severe symptoms as well, so they need to be a little careful. It also spreads through coughing, sneezing and shaking hands. So human touch is something that can get you to be a victim of the same. Touching door handles, keyboards can also cause this infection. In fact, no specific treatment or vaccine is available to treat this virus immediately, and limiting the spread is the only way to tackle this disease. Some more questions have been answered for you. The question that is commonly being asked, has the WHO declared an emergency till now? The answer to that is emergency related to the spread of this virus in China or the rest of the world hasn't been declared as yet. There's no official data that indicates a pandemic-like situation so far. The next question being asked, has the virus been detected outside of China as yet? And the answer to that is it's been detected in countries like the United States, Canada, parts of Europe and some other nations as well. Next big thing being asked, what are the symptoms of this new virus? The answer to that, like I said, symptoms are cough, fever, nasal congestion, shortness in breathing. Worsening of symptoms may also include problems like bronchitis or pneumonia. And when do these symptoms show, or what is the incubation period here? The answer to that is, as experts opine, a person will likely experience symptoms within 3 to 6 days after contracting the infection. There's also a question being asked on what are the preventive measures of the HMPV infection. The answer to that, wash hands with soap and water, use alcohol-based sanitizer if not soap available, avoid touching eyes, your nose or face, cover your nose and mouth while sneezing or coughing, wash hands after touching door handles, workstations, keyboards. Also wear masks when people around you are not keeping well. Apart from this, the National Center for Disease Control or the NCDC, which falls under the Union Health Ministry here in India, is closely monitoring the respiratory infections and seasonal influenza cases. We'll continue to monitor the situation closely. Last week, in fact, China's Disease Control Authority also said it was piloting a monitoring system for pneumonia of unknown origin, with cases of some respiratory diseases expected to rise through the water. Recent cases detected include pathogens such as rhinovirus and also human metapneumovirus, with cases of virus among people under the age of 14 showing an upward trend, especially in northern provinces. And that's why it's a worrying sign, not just in China, but the neighboring nations and the rest of the world also closely watching for all these symptoms. That's all the time I have in this edition of The Right Stand. Thanks for watching. That's all we could pack for you. Over to Akanksha Swaroop for the Brass Tacks.